Hi, Erin here with Neuralise. Today I wanted to talk about one of the anxiety coping skills that I refer to as the what if, okay? And this is anytime you ask yourself the question of what if, and then we always tend to follow it up with all kinds of problems and stressful scenarios. So to work on changing your perspective, you can just use a technique that is called blocking, where you block your ability to add in details. Because really the problem with the what ifs becomes when you add in too many details, where what if is like the headline and then you have the outline and then we add in a lot of details. And when your mind starts running, then that becomes an issue. If you think about it, have you ever had a dream at night where the next day you tell people, man, if you knew what happened in my dream last night, you really irritated me. What happens is you wind up in that surreal state. And if you could think of scenarios while you were sleeping, imagine how it affects you when you create scenarios when you're wide awake, when you're daydreaming. And these things never happened. So for the what if, just respond with, I'll handle it. Well, what if I blah, blah, blah at the job? I'll handle it. What if they say blah, blah, blah? I'll handle it. It blocks you from adding in all of those details because the conversation in your head is only one variable in an equation. You don't always know how people are going to respond. And I think a lot of times we try to be able to anticipate what's going to happen in the future so that we have some uncertainty. Well, on the other side of uncertainty is certainty. When you get there, you will be certain to know what happens. With the what if, I'll handle it, you're bringing to the table all of your resources, your support system, your knowledge. You don't have to have all of the answers. If you wind up in a situation and you don't know how to handle it, you can say, I really didn't expect this today. I think I need some time to think about it. You don't have to have all the responses right away. So start practicing whenever the what if pops up in your mind, just saying, I'll handle it. If you think about it on a positive note, people don't sit there and try to think about issues of what would happen if they won the lottery. Like nobody goes and buys a lottery ticket and says, oh my gosh, if I win the lottery, family's gonna come out of the woodwork, I'm gonna have all kinds of taxes I'll have to pay. It's not like you don't know what to do if something positive happens. You don't have to rehearse negative things over and over and over. You'll handle it. So what if? I'll handle it. Have a great day and make sure to do something fun.